Welcome back again. On the go with EFO. And we're actually on the go this time. Woo! What's up, everyone? Welcome back to On the Go with EFO. I just wanted to mention a few things real quick. If you're on a time crunch or whatever, here are the main things you need to know. Irish sea moss is a superfood. It is a type of seaweed. It's a species of seaweed. It is a complete immune booster. It's full of antioxidants, vitamin A, C, E, zinc, iron, potassium. So our bodies require 102 vitamins and minerals in order to survive. And Irish sea moss contains 92 of those vitamins and minerals. So it's just packed with nutrients. And it's not like some fad or one of those crazy like dieting things that come and go. I'll link more information below where you can find out about the history of Irish sea moss and all of that. And also I'll list where I get mine. If you live in Las Vegas, you can also purchase it directly from me. So this video today, I'm just showing you how to prepare the actual sea moss. It's super easy. It is not that expensive. When you start getting into buying the gel from other people where it has the fruit infusions and different things like that, then it gets more expensive. You're paying for the product plus any extra fruit, the jars, shipping, all that jazz. If you buy the actual sea moss and make it yourself, it's super easy. Anyone can do it, which you'll see in this video. So this was from a few months ago. I'm finally sharing the video now. The main points that you need to know, besides the health benefits, rinse off your sea moss. Get in there, don't be afraid, don't think you're gonna break it or like diminish the nutrients or anything. You want to make sure you're rubbing it a little to remove any excess salt, debris, any sand, anything that it might have carried with it from the ocean. When you're ready to soak it in water, you use alkaline water or spring water. You don't want to add in tap water or any type of hard water that will add in other chemicals and things that will interfere, because the sea moss will soak up that water. So if you don't normally like drinking tap water, don't have your sea moss soaking in it. The sea moss needs to soak for 24 hours. You can let it soak for less time. I recommend giving it that full 24 hours to soak in the water. Do not throw away the water that you soak it in. If you want to avoid having any sea or ocean taste, then make sure to add at least 1 lime to the sea moss while it's soaking. I just squeeze lime into the bowl. Once all of that's mixed in with the water, I just put the lime rinds in the bowl as well. So you just let that soak overnight. Honestly, I feel like 1 whole lime for me might be even a little excessive. My daughter loves lime and sour things, so she's fine having that little bit of tartness. If you choose to soak the sea moss without any lime, without anything, after you blend it up and all of that, you will get a hint of that sea taste. The thing is, it does not linger. So you take a spoon of it, you taste it for a second, and then it's gone. There's no weird aftertaste or anything like that. If you take a scoop of it and blend it into a smoothie or soup, into anything, tea, you will not taste it. So even if you don't use the limes, if you mix the sea moss in with other food or other drinks, you're not gonna get any sea taste, if anyone's worried about that. Also, a couple of things to note. If you're going to purchase sea moss from anyone, make sure you know where the sea moss was sourced from. I see a lot of people posting the benefits, how amazing it is, this, that, and the other, which is all true. And then you go to order from them and it doesn't even say where the sea moss is from. And some of these people have thousands of followers, and I'm just like, there's nowhere on the website when you place the order, there's nothing that shows where the sea moss is from. Know where your stuff is from. Anyone that orders through me, which obviously I'm not some like big time company or anything like that, I'm just selling to friends and family and, you know, acquaintances, things like that. I let everyone know exactly where the sea moss is from and where they can buy it for themselves if they decide, you know, they want to start making it on their own. One other thing that's extremely important that you need to know, sea moss is high in iodine, and our body needs iodine to function properly, for our thyroid to function properly. If you have too little iodine, your thyroid can start having problems and affecting your entire body. If you have too much iodine, it can have the same effect. If you have thyroid issues already, if you're on thyroid medication, do not consume this without talking with your doctor first. It's recommended that you take 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. I know some people take 4 tablespoons or more. So you really have to gauge how you feel. I recommend doing the 1 to 2 tablespoons. That's what I take. Look at my nails. Let me see. I don't know how to work it. Look at my nails. Like, they are crazy. To be honest, I'm not tooting my own horn, but I, in general, for the most part, have always had nice nails. But the thing is, I always had to take vitamins, hair and nail vitamins, in order for my nails to be strong and all of that. And if I stopped taking them, even if I ate well, my nails would still get noticeably weaker if I stopped taking my hair, skin, and nail vitamins. With the sea moss, I haven't been taking any hair, skin, or nail vitamins, and my nails are crazy. Those are the main points I wanted to make. There will also be instructions in the description below. Please remember to subscribe and hit that like button. Leave a comment down below if you have any feedback, if you have any experience with sea moss, or if you have any questions about sea moss. I'll do my best to answer.
If you rise, if you rise, if you rise, don't forget your past situation. If you stumble, if you stumble, if you stumble, try to lift your mind through meditation. If you rise, if you rise.
If you enjoyed any part of this video, please remember to like and subscribe. I really want to hit 100 subscribers. So if you're a friend or a family member, help me reach that goal. If you're a stranger, still please help me reach that goal. All right, guys, light and love.